today about an injury at a nursing home. It's the law and you, and as always, sitting in our legal chairs, our attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, are those chairs comfortable for you today?
Yeah, not at all.
As honest as they get. All right, let's get to the question and talk a little bit about the situation involving the nursing home and an injury. Nancy in Old Forge asked, my sister is in a nursing home. She recently fell and broke her nose and arm. She was supposed to be supervised, but wasn't. The nursing home refuses to give us any records. What can we do? What can Nancy in Old Forge do here?
Well, Nancy, first of all, the nursing home has absolutely no right to not release the records to you, especially if all the proper documentation is in order. If, you know, for example, if you're the power of attorney or you know, if you're the representative, they have to do that. Secondly, any incident like this where there's a broken bone or you know, somebody's going to have to go from the nursing facility to the hospital, the Department of Health, there's going to be a record of this particular incident at the Department of Health, and you can get that information as well. Third thing is, anytime somebody goes into a nursing home, we've handled a lot of these cases, a fall risk assessment must be done on a particular resident. So if your sister, I think it was if your sister was at risk for a fall, then there needs to be documentation of that. And very simply, the nursing home didn't comply with what they should have been doing for your sister, and you can't have a potential cause of action on that.
And what we would do in this situation is we'd advise you clearly to just go get a set of the medical records, fight for them, get them, and then get to a lawyer who knows what they're doing, who handles these cases, because your set of records will be the first set that's looked at. Then the law firm will request a second set, and in some instances we found that there are records missing, different notes, so you get a copy that has not been looked at by anyone, and then, you know, there's usually some comparison done, and then, you know, they can make a determination if the nursing home broke any of their own rules, policies, and procedures, which would then link to a good case for the person who's injured. Because look, most nursing homes don't want anybody getting hurt. It happens, but sometimes they don't follow their own rules. That's something we've seen quite a bit of.
And isn't it important in a situation like this to hire an attorney that has experience in doing these type of cases?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, because I mean, it's, you know, there's certain things we just don't do, and it's better to have someone who really knows what they're doing, who can hone in on the issues, get right to it, and they're not learning on your dime. So
yeah, I mean, there's policies and procedures, and I mean, there's federal regulations regarding nursing homes, there's state regulations regarding nursing homes. So, you know, there's a lot to consider when handling these cases.
All right, makes sense. How can our viewers reach you guys?
Call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have a question, put it on our page, and we'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks.
We'll see you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best ways to get a question featured here on The Law and You.